welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some DIY spring room decor. I'm sorry for not uploading on Tuesday. If you guys are a longtime viewer, you would know that I usually upload videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays, but I've been extremely busy with school. If you guys didn't know, I'm a high school senior, so I just have a senior project to work on and a bunch of other homework to do, and I'm just trying to push through until graduation in a few months. And also I do have college things that I've been working on and tests to take and just a bunch of school stuff basically. So I'm sorry I cannot upload on Tuesday, but I do have a pre-filmed video for next Tuesday, so I will be back on track with my video schedule next week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get started. So the first DIY that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make are these painted succulents, and this is definitely the easiest DIY in this video. So all you're going to need are some succulents. I got these ones from Target. You're also going to need some paint and foam brushes. So all I'm doing is painting the succulents. Some of you guys might not even consider this a DIY, but I just think it's super cute, and when I saw these succulents at Target, I knew I had to show you guys how to like paint them or like decorate with them in a video. This is what they turned out to look like. I think they're super cute. I'm obsessed with succulents. By the way, these are fake succulents. You could definitely buy real ones if you want. The second DIY is this floral canvas art. So all you're going to need are 4 mini canvases, and I just got 2 packs because they came with 2 canvases in each from Michael's. You're also going to need paint, foam brushes, fake flowers, a hot glue gun, and some hot glue sticks. So the first step is to paint your canvases with a bunch of pastel colors or whatever colors you would like to use. I just love pastel colors for the spring. So then I just hot glued some fake flowers onto the canvases. And this is what all of the canvases turned out to look like. And I just used a bunch of different colors of flowers. I think they're super cute. So the third DIY is this spring frame. All you're going to need is a sign that says Hello Spring, and I just printed this from Google. I just searched Hello Spring printable and this came up on Google. And then you're also going to need some paint, foam brushes, a frame, mine is from Dollar Tree, as well as some fake flowers, a hot glue gun, and some hot glue sticks. So all I did was paint my frame with some pastel pink paint. Once the paint dried, I hot glued some flowers onto the frame, and I also placed the Hello Spring sign in the frame as well, and this is what it turned out to look like. It was super cute, affordable, and easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe down below if you're new. Today's question of the day is going to be, do you want to see more room decor videos? Because I love filming these, and if you want to see more room decor videos, let me know in the comments below what kind of room decor